Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, today I figured we would take a look at something we just got in this month's Barrel and Blade. I'm going to try to leave the card somewhere right up there so you can see the overall box. Stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to get into this. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying with us. Now, as I said, I got this in this month's Barrel and Blade box. That would be February 2018. This is the StatGear, and I hope I'm saying this right, Ausus Folding Pocket Knife. I'm sure I'm butchering that company's name, so please forgive me. Now, what I liked was they had this in big bold print basically on Amazon and on their website that this is a luxury everyday carry folder. They are saying if you're a desk jockey, if you're a first responder, if you are military, this is the blade for you. So you know what? Okay. I figured I was a desk jockey. I'm ex-military, so I fit 2 out of those 3. At first, I was going to say, screw it, I'm giving this away. But then I started to get into it a little, and I figured, all right, what the heck? But let's pan this out a little. Okay. So, this is the blade. Now, what I like is it is available in 3 colors for here on the micarta handles. It has black, which is this. It's got a brown, which looks more of like a coyote brown. And it has a stonewash, what looks like a really blacked out gray. Now, what I like is there was options between a silver and a black blade. Well, Barrel and Blade gave me black micarta handles with a black blade. Now I gotta tell you, with the handles themselves, so excuse me, the scales, now let's get really technical. They feel pretty similar to the solid Kiku that we did a review on a little while ago. I'm going to try to leave a card somewhere up there so you can see that review. Even though they say this is a canvas micarta, it really feels more like a rough linen micarta. But enough of that. So let's get into the fun stuff here. The one thing I didn't like, the blade, well, it was made in China, and I can't recall if it says on here anywhere on the blade itself. Nope. But it does say it right there on the box. Made in China. Okay. So it's got an overall length of about 8 inches. The blade is about 3.5 inches. Enclosed, it's 4.5 inches. It comes in at a pretty hefty weight of 5.5 ounces. Now, the blade steel is D2 tool steel with the Rockwell hardness rating of 59 to 61. I did like, as you saw, it's got the dual thumb studs right here, and they are a little bit oversized, which I thought was cool because, well, it's a big boxy blade, and where they have this little cutout divot, you really have a small thing getting your thumb in there. Now, what I like is it has a ball bearing system in there to help with the deployment. But caution, there's no flipper. So be careful trying to flip it open because with the ball bearings, you could catch yourself real easy when your thumb slides down. I've done it a time or 2, so, you know, take it for what it's worth. It does have a liner lock. We do have a reversible deep carry pocket clip, and it's only carried one way, which is tip up. Now, I do like the fact, I hope you can see that, it came pretty centered. I thought that was pretty cool. And they had this big thing about, oh, well, it's taper ground. It's going to be taper grind. Now, the one item that really stood out to me, because I've never heard of StatGear at all, right? Both on Amazon and on their website, you know, we take a look at both. You've got an option to purchase a Kydex Sheath that, you know, has, as they put it, a 2-point retention on your belt. But what caught my attention, they did not say the company, but they said they've sourced a veteran-owned company to make the Kydex Sheaths. I am a vet, so that spoke to me and went, they're helping support a brother's business. That I thought was really freaking awesome. Now, as usual, the cost, and this one struck me as funny. On StatGear's website, it's $49.99. Amazon, $49.99. Basically, on both sites, for an additional $20, you can add the Kydex Sheath. Remember, this one comes in 3 colors, and you can find all 3 both on their website and on Amazon. Now, the rating over on StatGear's website is 5 out of 5 stars, but it's only got 5 reviews. And they're from like about a month ago, so I'm assuming this is a brand new blade that's out there on the market. Over on Amazon, it's got a rating of 4.5 stars out of 5 with 10 reviews. Some people really didn't like the oversized thumb studs. Some people thought that the ball bearing stuff was, stupid. Some people really didn't like the pocket clip. And I will tell you, sometimes when you're moving it, it does move. So, keep that in mind. But, that's a look at it, guys. I'd like to know what you think down below. Leave your questions, comments, whatever, down below. If you are a first-time viewer of my channel, thank you so much for spending some of your day with me. And you're also going to see here in a moment my company logo popping up right there. Go ahead, click on that. That's going to bring you to subscribe. We recommend everyone, please like, share, and subscribe. And when you're subscribing to us, please click the bell icon that's right next to subscribe. That way you'll be notified every single time we upload a brand new video. Speaking of videos, over here on this side, you're going to see 2 videos that YouTube is going to select from our catalog that they're going to think are really good fits for you. But there you go, guys. The StatGear, I hope I'm saying this right, Ausus folding pocket knife. Remember, it's a luxury EDC folder. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.